This is my review of the Xbox Elite Series 2 gaming controller. It's compatible with the Xbox Series, Xbox One, Windows, iOS, and Android. As you can see here, it is really optimized for the person who's using the controller. What I like is it comes with this carrying case on the inside. The controller is there. It's black. It's got customizable buttons on the back you can use. I use this controller to play Call of Duty or Warzone. I'm able to keep my thumbs on the joysticks and press buttons on the back while shooting. Inside, you can see the different array of thumbsticks and controller pads. It even has this tool to take the D-pad out, but you can easily see here that I can take the D-pad out with my fingers. Another thing is the thumbsticks are easily changeable. You just pull off the top like so, and there you can change it pretty easily. This is my review of the Xbox Series 2 controller.
Hey everyone, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2, an exceptional product that has quickly become a personal favorite. I even bought two of them. Over the past couple of years, I've rigorously tested the Series 2 controller, examining its features and build quality. Microsoft has enhanced every aspect of this controller, introducing new features like adjustable tension thumbsticks, shorter hair trigger locks, USB-C, and Bluetooth connectivity. Its lighter design, along with wraparound rubberized grips extending to the thumbs, makes the Elite 2 even more comfortable for long gaming sessions than its predecessor. Besides the new grips, Microsoft implemented numerous smaller improvements that might not be immediately noticeable. For example, the Xbox button is now a lot sturdier. There are three LEDs that indicate the selected profile, and while there's no instant on-device button remapping, you can create and quickly switch between the three profiles, similar to the original controller. The Xbox Accessories app allows comprehensive customization of the Elite 2 controller buttons, offering an almost overwhelming range of options. I appreciate this level of adaptability. Microsoft has also updated the triggers on the Elite 2 with a textured patch and an option for even shorter hair trigger locks. These locks can be adjusted through 3 levels, and both triggers can be independently modified to various lengths. The controller comes with 6 interchangeable thumbsticks, 2 standard, 2 classic, and single tall and wide dome options. Additionally, there's a faceted D-pad and the standard D-pad found on all Xbox One controllers. The inclusion of USB-C charging is a welcome feature, and Microsoft has cleverly integrated a charging dock within the carrying case for the Elite 2 controller. Simply place the charger on the magnetic dock and connect a USB-C cable to the back of the carrying case for on-the-go charging. To sum up, the Xbox Elite 2 controller is the finest Xbox controller money can buy, in my opinion.